C is minus 0.4 square multiplied by minus 1.3 divided by 0.8 minus 0.62 minus 0.62. So minus 0.4 square. 0.4 square mean 0.4 into 0.4, or I write here 0.4. This is square. 4 4s are 16. This is 16. So how many digit 1 2? Here will be 0. 0.16. So this will be minus 0.16. So minus is, why minus is still there? Because this square belong to only 0.4, not with the minus. Minus is not included in square. If there was bracket, then we could say that a square of minus also, but here it is only square of 0.4. So yes, this is a multiplication 1 by minus 1 by 3. Now this minus is cancelled with this one, minus plus. Now this is a plus, divided by 0.8, and this is minus 0.62 minus 0.62. So we can multiply these two numbers. 0.16 into 1.3, 1.3 multiply. So this will be 3 6 are 18, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3, and 4, 1 6 are 6, and 1 1s are 1. So that is equal to 8, 10, and this is 2. And 1 2 3 3 digit decimal after 3 digit. Right now here 1 2 3, this one. So that is equal to 0.208, and this we can write as 1 over 0.8 minus 0.62. And first, now we cannot solve these two terms first, because there is a multiplication, and multiplication has priority than minus. So first these two terms should be solved. So we can write 0.208 over 1000, and this one is 10 by 8. That means this 10 removing decimal. So this decimal also removed. Okay, so this is 0 cancel this one, and 8 2s are 16, and 8 6 are 48, 26. Now this is 26 over 100. 8 actually cancelled with this one. So now 2 zeros. So 6 2 decimal was here, 1 2, because 2 zeros. So this will be, this is the answer. Now part D of this question. Minus 0.2 cube into 27 over 1.6 plus 0.105 plus 0.105. So here negative is also under power. So 3 times this is multiplied with these number 3 times. So answer, in the answer there will be minus still there. and 0.2 into 0.2 into 0.2. So this will be 0.008 3 time, and this will be 27 over 16. So put 10 here to remove this decimal. So this will be decimal is removed, plus 0.105. Now minus, this is 8 over 1000, and this is 27 into 10 over 16 plus 0.105. So we can cancel this 0 with this one, and 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. First we will solve the terms with the multiplication, not with this one. So 8 1 this was 8 ones are 8, so 27 into, so this is 27, so that is equal to 1 by 100, or so now we are left minus 1 by 100 and multiply by 27 by 2, 27 by 2, and plus 0.105. So now minus 1 by 100, and this is equal to 27 divided by 2. This will be 13.5. If you divide, this will be this one, 0.105. So this term can be written as, we can write 13.5 over 100 plus 0.105. And now because we this division or multiplication per 100, or I mean numbers like this, 10, 100, 1000, like this, these are very easy. So that is why I did not cancel this number. I tried to kept denominator in 100 form. So now this will be 531. That decimal will be moved 2 digit, 1 2. So this will, here will be decimal, and this is negative, so sorry, no need this one, plus 0.105. so opposite sign, so we will subtract. This is minus 0.135, and this is plus 0.105. so this will be 0, this will be 3, this will be 0 point, and 1 3, this is 1 0, this is bigger number, the sign will be of a bigger number, that is minus 0.030, or this is answer. Now part E of this question is minus 2.4 minus 1.6 square divided by 0.8 cube minus 0.8 cube. This is minus, so that is equal to minus 2.4, and minus, this minus is under square and it will become positive, so there is no difference on this sign, this will be as it is. So 1.6 square, that is equal to, so this 1.6 into 1.6 will be 2.56, and 0.83 cube 3 times multiply 0.8, so there is a answer 5.512. so minus 2.4. First we will solve these two terms because there is a division sign between them, so we cannot solve first these two terms. So minus 2.56, and this is multiplication 1 over 0.512. We can place minus either here or here. I place minus here up. So minus 2.4 minus 2.56. So put here 100, remove this decimal, and for this minus 1 into put here 1000, this will be 512. So two zeros are cancelled with this one. So two zeros are cancelled. Then this is 256 and this is 512. If we multiply with the 256 into 2, we will get this number. This will be 2. So 256 ones are, this will be 2. So, and now here that is a 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So 5 into minus 1 minus 5 minus 2.4. So this is a minus 5. Minus minus plus. This sign will be plus sign. So 5 over only 5. It left behind only 5. So that is we can write 5.0 and minus 2.4. 10 minus 4 6. 4 minus 2 2. Positive 2.6. This should be answer. So part F is bracket start minus 7.54 plus minus 5.79 minus 5.79 bracket close multiply by 7 bracket start 7 divided by minus 4. So that is equal to minus 7.554 minus 5.79, because plus minus this is multiplication. So and this is equal to 7 into 1 by minus 4. So minus 7.54 and minus 5.79. So we can add them. Minus 7.54 and minus 5.79. So 11, 13, 1 carry, and this is 13 negative. So minus 13.31, and this is 7 by minus 4, 7 divided by, or minus we can place minus here up 4. So here 7 divided by 4, we can divide 7, 4 ones are 4, so 3, and we can place 1 0. This is decimal. 4 sevens are 28, and we can divide, that is minus 13.31 multiply by this is equal to 1.75 minus 1.75. So here minus minus plus, so its answer will be in plus, but we can multiply these two numbers. So now just multiply this number and this number, you will get the answer. Now question number 13. Use a calculator to evaluate each of the following, leaving your answer correct to 3 decimal places. The part A is pi plus 5 whole 1 by 2 minus 2.1 in bracket there is a square. So we cannot take square like this is pi square and this is this number square separately. First we have to solve these two terms, we have to make it one terms. So this is a pi, that is 22/7, and what is its value in decimal? So value of pi is 3.143, and this is 5 whole 1/2, that is 5 2s are 15, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11, 11/2, 11/2 if you divide by calculator that will be 5.5, and this is 2.1. So this is square. So now with the help of calculator add these two terms. So this is adding these two terms, that is equal to, now this term become only one term, 8.643. We will take its square, and that is 74.701 up to 3 decimal places, and divided by square of 2.1, that is equal to 4.41, and this will be equal to, so that is equal to, divide this one by this one, 16.939. This is answer. So I wrote the pi square value up to 4 decimal places, and this is 2 square root and 7 minus cube root of 4. So I put these values. So just with the help of calculator add these two terms and subtract from 7 this term. So then divide this term with this one, you will get this answer. Now for 3 decimal places we will increase this one 2.085. so we will ignore now this 4 term. If this next term is 5 or greater than 5, we will increase 1 here, and if it is less than 5, we will ignore that term. So this is answer. So this is part C. So first solve the these under the square root, under the cube root. Take square of 14, 196, square of 19, this one, and value of pi, and minus 455, and then add these two terms and simplify this one with the help of calculator. So then take the cube root of 557, which is 8.2278, and this term as it is. So just I place minus sign instead of here, I place this one here. So now divide this term with this one, you will get this one. So 5.8477. we need to answer up to 2 decimal places, so up to here. So make it one more 8 and ignore next one. This is answer. Now next is part D. 4.6 square plus 8.3 square minus 6 whole 1/2 square divided by 2 multiplied by 4.6 minus 8.3, and this is the square root of all the terms. This is square root both for numerator as well as a denominator. So that is equal to, take square of this term, and now take square of 4.6, square of this term, minus you can use calculator. 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 13, 13/2, which is 6.5. its square. And similarly for these terms, first we will solve 2 multiplied with this one, which is 9.2. We cannot solve these two terms first. First, the terms having the multiplication sign. So here, just take the square of 6.5 and now add these two terms minus this one divided by subtraction of this one, and just you will use calculator and you will find the answer 7.2887. I wrote this one round figure as a 8 because this was bigger than 5, so this is answer. Question number 4 is how do we write decimal that is non-terminating and non-recurring? So non-terminating, for example, if we take any series, odd number, even number, multiple, or factors like this, these are non-terminating, non-ending. For example, if we take the example of odd number, that is 1, 3, 5, then 7, 9, 11, then 13, then 15, then 17, then 19, then 21, then 23. So we can, this is a non-ending and non-recurring. You cannot see some regular pattern like this. These are odd number. Even if we see the multiples or divisors, I mean that any series, for example, multiples of 3, multiples of 3. So what is 3, 6, 9, and then 12 and 15, then 18, then 21, then 23, then 25, multiple of 3. This is 12, 15, 18, 21, and this is 24 actually, and then 27, then 30, then 33, like this. So this is actually non-ending and non-terminating. So I wrote two series of non-recurring and non-terminating. So in decimal form, we can write, for example, first one is 0.135791113, so on, like this. And other one 0.369, because it is requirement that write in decimal form 121,518, 212, and so on, like this. So this is answer.